Now, the major point here we have to notice, why do we need this yoga? Basically, why do we need this training? Okay, when the flow is coming automatically, when it is doing the automatic job, when the energy is used for me, for doing my own, willingly doing jobs and all that. So why should we need yoga? Why should we need this practice at all? That means in early days, in our ancestors' days, the lifestyle was different. The way they were sitting down, the way they were taking food, the way they were interacting with the nature, even the job by itself, starting from the dress sense onwards, every way the pattern how they have lived was different. Now the whole pattern is different, right? I used to jokingly say all our life is just above, almost about 1.5 to 2 feet above only. Correct? Now only you are sitting down. Just imagine, did you sit ever down yesterday the whole day on the floor? Except for a practice like this. If you have done some practice, okay, except that, do you sit down? No. Okay. From the bed, which is about 1.5 to 2 feet high, get down, go to a restroom which is westernized now, which is just above the floor. Again, use your, I don't know how you take it, but I'm just saying, there is a facility like this which has changed our whole lifestyle. You have a shower, you don't sit down and take bath, there's a shower, and then you come, there is a dressing table which is again something on a height. You sit on a small structure and then do it.
Sir,
Salute, sir. Fantastic. No, you are trying to restore now. See, now, willingly, not that all the years of your life you would have been sitting down. Sometimes you would have sat up. Then later you realize, no, we are supposed to sit down. That is how our forefathers were sitting. And this is what is good. Somebody has told you, or somebody has educated you in different forms and means. Correct. Now you are restoring back. My question is, why do we need yoga? Because to restore ourselves to the old patterns. That's what I'm trying to say. If not you and me, okay. And most of our lifestyle is becoming on the height only. You drive a bike or you drive a car, you go use a lift, you sit on the, almost on at least about 1 or 2 feet high only we are living. That means the connect to the mother earth is just very less. And walking on the barefoot is very rare now, right? Barefoot walking is very rare. Even at the living room, now we started using our footwear. If not everybody, at least majority, they started using footwear, even our living room. Correct. So that makes us disconnected from the earth or any other form of this thing. Okay, so we are not anyway, connected to completely nature. So this kind of practices, in the name of yoga, in the name of fitness, in the name of wellness, you call in any name. Not necessarily you should learn only yoga. It has its own merits and demerits. Or you have different forms of connecting to the nature. Say, for example, if somebody is just showing completely bhakti towards a god, bhakti yoga, it is a way through which you want to attain a connectivity to the nature. Somebody who don't trust in the form of God or name of God or anything, they can doing their own job. They will be so meticulously doing their work, their task and activity. It's called karma. Karma means an action. Okay. So they will do everything perfectly. Through that they will connect to the nature. They say, I am doing my work perfectly. That is my thing. My work is my worship. My work is my God. Okay, I don't trust in God. I don't go and pray God separately. That's what some people say. That means for them, the path of reaching the God, the path of reaching the nature is different. That's called karma yoga. And somebody who always gets more knowledge technically and they get more insight, they'll ask questions for each and everything. They find answers also. And they also keep, educating others, transferring their knowledge, sharing their knowledge, what they got for the betterment. And it's called a jnana yoga. That means jnana means, ariv. Okay. So the intellect, intellectually they'll start growing. Also they'll start enumerating, expanding their knowledge with others. That means through that knowledge, if they can reach the nature, that's called Jnana Yoga. So Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Hatha Yoga. Hatha means you are physically, this asanas and all you use, no? Through that you try to connect to the nature. We call God, we call nature, we call universe. It's all in the name, that's all. But everything where we are connecting through different medium is the same energy. The basic is only energy. Okay, now I was asking a question, why do we need this yoga? Why do we need these forms of trainings? For us to understand the nature, for us to connect back to the nature in different forms. Not necessarily every one of us will connect in the same form, no. Among three of you, you might connect in different forms. Though you would be learning essence of it on a day-to-day, you will relate because you all independent. Though you call them as parents, and though they both of you call you as daughter or your own kid, their own kid, again they call themselves as spouses. But here, the fact is, you all independent. You all, coming here, we all come here as different Atmans. We have a different agenda. Right now, the agenda is for me to teach you. There is no way your agenda is to hear me, that's it. How do we know each other? We don't know. Somehow your dad come into contact with me, okay? For some time he has been observing in LinkedIn, and he has been just seeing me with some little activities that I post in LinkedIn. Maybe he has connected that, okay, maybe he wanted to connect with the nature, and I have been utilized as a medium now. And you are brought again. Now madam has joined us from today. But assume I am an instrument. The nature decided to give you something, or you wanted to connect to the nature through some medium, through some ways and means. We have a technology now. Technology is a medium. Like that, what I've learned, I'm trying to connect you. It is not that I am giving you. The higher self is trying to give you. I'm just a medium. Rest all the mediums only. So now, these techniques are required for us to connect to the nature. Why do we connect to the nature? When we align to the nature, we resonate, we operate at the level how the nature operates, and we are at ease. We'll be at ease. If not, we are at dis-ease. When we have a disconnect, we are not at ease, rather we are at dis-ease. That's all. So all the diseases, we call that as diseases, are the gap between how the nature operates and how we are connected to that. The closer we are with nature, we are at ease. When the gap improves from the nature, we are at disease, that's all. It can be a physical form of disease, it can be a mental form of disease, or it can be an emotional form of disease. But all these things happens by the way we are developing the gap between us and the nature. That's all. When we connect to God, when we connect to nature, when we connect to universe, the gap becomes very, very less. So these kind of yogic practices are helping us putting back into our olden stage of living. Not necessarily we should change all our gadgets and all. We can't do anything. Without gadget, I can't connect with you. Correct. If I have to make you come all the way sit in front of me, or if I have to all the way travel and sit in front of you, in this pandemic, you would not have got connected at all, right? So that means these are all the living spaces at this moment. Using all this, how best you connect? What kind of a ways and means you connect to this nature? And that makes you this practice at a easy ways. So that means through these practices, we are going to take our body to at a ease level, mind at a ease level, and our emotions at a ease level, and our existing itself at a ease level. Very simple. So that means we are aligning ourselves to the nature. So bodily we need to align something, and mentally we need to align something, and emotionally we need to align something to the nature. Right. To understand all this only, these practices are required.